It's a busy day at the farm.
For help.
Today, two goats having a root.
I'm coming! I'm coming!
Another goat that's drowning in the bath. And there's a goat over there getting attacked by the donkey. Well, when I'm out of the day, it's problems to deal with on the daily. Yeah. He's off the hook, the donkey's dropped him. That's a small donkey.
Dude.
You ass.
Hey, buddy.
Oh, there's the goat that got attacked. Where's the two that were rooting?
No, that was scary. That was scary. I'm
And the
sorry.
one that was drowning.
Listen, the game
Hey.
is closed for a reason.
Goats.
What?
And what the fuck is this?